welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a great day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, from beauty, fashion, jewelry, pets, snacks, lifestyle. If you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And y'all, don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And also please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. So I'm so excited because we have another vineoh unboxing. Yay! So if you are not familiar with vineoh, I'm gonna briefly go over what vineoh is and then we'll get in here and see what we got. But it is a wine subscription that also sends you a box with 5 to 6 lifestyle goodies every quarter. So it is $59.99 a quarter. So it's 4 times a year. This is actually their limited edition, summer fun box. It says each box is curated to help women relax or recharge and unwind. This subscription is great for self-care. One thing I love about this is you can actually change the shipping address each quarter. So you could get it for yourself and the next quarter you could send it to like your mom, your sister, your best friend, your cousin, whoever, and treat them, which I think is really, really fun. So like I said, each box will contain 5 to 6 full-size goodies, and it's gonna be a variety of rejuvenating products. There is always a delicious little treat. Usually, we don't always get jewelry, but jewelry has been in here. And you get 2 bottles of premium wine, and the wine comes from California and South Africa. The cool thing about it that I really like is not everybody likes the same type of wine, right? Well, with vineoh, you can actually customize how you want your wine. You can choose to get all reds, all whites. You can get a mix of red and white, or you could get sweet, like Moscato or things like that. So I do have a promo code, which is Southern. I will put that down below along with a link. Now, that promo code, you guys, you ready? Instead of 2 bottles of wine, you're gonna get 3, but not just for your first box, for the lifetime of your membership. So as long as you stay subscribed to vineoh, instead of 2 bottles, you're gonna get 3 with promo code Southern. And with this box, you are also gonna get a little free bonus gift of a fringe soap. It has a $5 value. I do have one in here that I will be able to show you, but yeah, that's awesome. So you would end up for $59.99 a quarter getting 3 bottles of wine plus the 5 to 6 lifestyle goodies. And their wines range anywhere from $21 to $26. So the value of the box is usually $150 or more, which is awesome. So let's get in here and see what this limited edition summer fun box has. Now, they send their products, their subscription very well. It is sent by FedEx. You do have to have someone over the age of 21 sign for this subscription, so keep that in mind. But it comes in a bigger box with this very tightly secure on top. This is all our like goodies. And then the wine is underneath in like, almost like egg carton type material. And it is very, very, very well protected. So I'm gonna show you the 3 wines that I got first, and then we'll get into the goodies. So this first one is from Mad Love. This is a 2017 Santa Ynez Valley Riesling. I'm not sure, I probably butchered that. So this is from California, but isn't this bottle just like really pretty? So we have a Riesling, so it's a little bit on the sweeter side. And then we have from Mad Love, a 2017, this is South African Chenin Blanc. You can see that. So there is that. And our final wine is a red wine blend. This is 2016 California New Crush. I've actually gotten this before. So this one's good. There are our 3 wines. I'm gonna put them down so I don't knock them over. That'd be my luck. Those are some examples of the different wines you could get. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. I love how it says, oh, for me. All right. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. There is always a pack of cards here on top, and this will go over, you have one card that will tell you about every item in the box, and then there are individual cards that give you more detail. So let's go ahead. Here we have the main card again for the limited edition, oh, summer fun box. And I can already see some really awesome items. I do want to point this out first. This is the Fringe soap. This would be the bonus gift with that promo code in addition to that 3rd bottle of wine for the lifetime of your subscription. And this is in citrus. So it actually smells pretty good. There is that. All right. So let's go ahead and get into here and see what goodies we have got. So the first item here I am pulling out is a Wet Brush Pro Detangler. Glides through tangles with less effort, pain, and breakage. And it looks all like tropical. All right, so the Wet Brush famous detangler changed the hairbrush game and transformed what can be a painful and time-consuming task into an effortless, fun, and colorful part of your day. Hair is most fragile when wet, and this detangler brush is the perfect tool for gently loosening knots without pulling or breaking hair. Oh, wow. So I love this like tropical design. Let's see if we can get it out. Quicker than I thought it would be. So here you can see the back, gorgeous. And then I like how it has some give to it. I do have a wet brush. I love these. These are amazing. I love when you can just, you know, yay. So I'm glad to have another one. So there was item number 1, and that retails for $15. All right, and then we have this is a Daisy Bath Bomb. Okay, I was gonna say something smelled really, really good, and it is this. That smells so good. This is a Primal Elements Daisy Bath Bomb. Hand-pressed bath bombs are an explosion of fun for your tub. Drop one of these bubbly delights into a tub of bath water and watch the magic happen. As the bath bomb dissolves, the blend of moisturizing shea butter, coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E soften the water, leaving skin feeling soft and velvety smooth. Paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. Love that. This has a $7 value. You guys, this does just smells so good. Like, I don't even know how to describe it because it's not floral. It's not citrus or fruity, or it's not musk. It's just, wow. This just smells really good. That smells so good. Okay. Then our little treat or snack, looks like we got some Hammond's Pop, sweet and cheesy, caramel corn and sharp cheddar. Ooh, yum. Let's see. This is $5. And it says Hammond's Sweet and Cheesy Popcorn is a popcorn treat that mixes the flavors of sweet, rich caramel with salty, savory cheddar cheese. It's an all-in-one delicious mouthful popped to perfection Oh, yum. Like I said, this is a 5-ounce bag, preservative free and kosher. So that's good to know. So it's valued at $5. All right, and then we have got some sunglasses. They are in this case or this plastic bag, but they do have this little case here. So let's take a look. Blue Planet Aviator sunglasses. Has UVA and UVB protection. So there's what it looks like, what they look like. And it says, must have shade alert. These cool sunglasses from Blue Planet have a classic aviator style with colored mirrored lenses. They will for sure make you a standout this summer. Ooh la la. And it does have the maximum UVA and UVB protection. And these are valued, if I did not say, at $20. Let's see. What do you think? I got it. I do like these. And I do like that they included this case here that you can put them in so they won't get scratched up, and you can just tie it and you're good to go. All right, so we have one more item left, and this appears to be a clutch from Shira Lee, Chicago. And this is a $31 value for tuna clutch. All right, so we've got it out. So here you can see exactly what it looks like. This is so pretty and so summery. It says, feel the warm weather vibes, soak up the sun, and get lost in paradise with this straw for tuna clutch, a year-round fashionista favorite. This is the perfect grab and go clutch to make you feel like you are on vacation all season long. Oh, cute. It does have a magnetic snap closure, which was apparently holding the tag. And yep, you can hear it right there. And then you can open it and you can see, so you'd be able to fit a decent amount of stuff in there and go. Now this is a little bit larger than most clutches I have seen, but I do think that the straw and these beautiful blue like turquoise pom-poms, I think this is so adorable and just perfect for summer. Like you could be walking down the street, you know, with your clutch, with your aviators on, and you'd just be killing it. So this was the final item. So we got this gorgeous, very, very summery feeling clutch. We got the sweet and cheesy popcorn, this amazing smelling bath bomb. You guys, I seriously can't put my finger on what this scent is. It just smells fantastic. We got the hairbrush. We have the aviator sunglasses with the case. And of course our 3 bottles of wine. Also, just so you know, they did include a gift card this month or this season for beauty brands. This is a $5 beauty gift. So you can use this towards a product purchase or salon and spa service at any beauty brands location or online at beautybrands.com. So, and this is good through September 30th of this year. So if you get one of these, if you get the subscription, you know you have a good bit of time to use this. So that was the limited edition, summer fun box from vineoh. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link to vineoh down below along with that promo code to get you the free soap, which we got right here, as a bonus gift with your first box, but also to get you that 3rd bottle of wine, not just with your first box, but for the lifetime of your subscription. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.